Are you looking for the ultimate graphics card to power your video editing projects? Join us as we dive into the world of high-performance GPUs. From stunning 4K footage to smooth multitasking, we'll help you find the perfect card to elevate your creative workflow. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. For video editing, it's a top recommendation. Released in January 2024 as an upgrade from the RTX 4070 Ti, it strikes a perfect balance between power and value. This card sits in NVIDIA's latest lineup, offering the benefits of modern hardware encoders and decoders to speed up video tasks without the high cost of the 4080 and 4090 models. With 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, a high clock speed, and over 8,000 CUDA cores, it excels in video editing, production, and 3D rendering, delivering a significant boost in 4K performance compared to its predecessor. It's also energy efficient, consuming just 285 watts. While not a major upgrade for those with recent NVIDIA 30 series or AMD GPUs, it's an excellent choice for those upgrading from older systems or without a dedicated graphics card. Number 2. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. If you're seeking a budget-friendly graphics card for video editing, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 is an excellent choice. As one of the last models from the 30 series, it still offers solid performance and value, even though it might soon be replaced by a 4050 or similar. With 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, 224 GB per second bandwidth, and 2560 CUDA cores, the RTX 3050 handles most low to mid video editing tasks efficiently. Its boosted clock speed of 1780 MHz and 130 watts power consumption make it a reliable option for 1080p FHD video. While options like the GTX 1650 or 1660 are cheaper, the RTX 3050 provides superior features and performance for a slightly higher price, making it a more future-proof choice for modern video editing needs. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. For those with a substantial budget, the NVIDIA RTX 4090 is the pinnacle of mainstream graphics cards and excels in demanding tasks like 8K video editing and complex 3D rendering. Equipped with 24 GB of video memory, a 2.5 GHz boost clock, and over 16,000 CUDA cores, it delivers unparalleled performance. This card will handle any high-demand video editing with ease, though it requires a robust PC setup to manage its size, cooling needs, and power consumption. Investing in the RTX 4090 not only provides top-tier performance, but also future-proofs your system for advanced 4K and 8K editing tasks, making it a solid long-term investment for serious video editors. So, which card reigns supreme for video editing? After careful consideration, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 emerges as the clear winner. Its powerful architecture, massive VRAM, and advanced features make it the ideal choice for demanding video projects. But remember, the best card for you depends on your specific needs and budget.